Imagine waking up, checking your phone and seeing an extra 100 pounds without a 9-to-5 job. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. Today, I'll show you 5 side hustles that can make you at least 100 pounds a day online, no experience needed. Stay till the end, because the last one is the easiest and fastest way to start. AI is making freelancing easier than ever. You don't need to be a designer or writer, AI does the work for you. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork let you sell services like AI-generated content, logo design with Midjourney, or social media posts using Canva and ChatGPT. First, go to Fiverr or Upwork and create a profile. Next, use AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva to create content. Finally, sell services like blog writing, ad copy, or social media graphics. Potential earnings, £20, £100 per gig. Comment AI below if you want a full tutorial on how to start. Ever wanted to sell t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without handling inventory? With Print on Demand, you design products, list them on Etsy or Shopify, and a third-party company prints and ships them for you. How to start? Use Canva or Kittl to design graphics, upload designs to platforms like Printify or Teespring, then sell them on Etsy, Redbubble, or Shopify. Potential earnings, £10, £50 per sale. Pro tip: trending designs sell fast. Use Google Trends to find hot niches. You don't need to be on camera to make money on YouTube. With Faceless YouTube, you can use AI-generated voiceovers, stock footage, and simple editing to create viral content. How to start? Pick a niche: finance, motivation, facts, AI tools, anything. Use AI tools like 11 Labs for voiceovers and Pexels for stock footage. Edit videos with CapCut or DaVinci Resolve and upload them on YouTube. Potential earnings: £500, £500 a month from ad revenue and affiliate marketing. Comment YouTube below if you want a step-by-step guide. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make passive income online. You get paid commissions when people buy products through your link. How to start? Sign up for Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Promote products on TikTok, YouTube, or a simple blog. Earn commissions for every sale through your link. Potential earnings: £100, £100 day with viral traffic. Pro tip: AI tools like ChatGPT can help you write product reviews fast. Want to make money while you sleep? Selling digital products is the best way to earn passively. Create an ebook, planner, or Canva template once and sell it forever. How to start? Create a simple digital product using Canva or Google Docs. List it on Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. Use Pinterest and TikTok to drive free traffic. Potential earnings: £10, £100 per sale, scalable to £10, £000 a month. Type digital below if you want a free guide to start selling digital products. These side hustles can change your life if you take action. Which one are you starting today? Comment below and let me know. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more money-making tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Watch this next. Point to another related video: best AI tools to make money online.